guys, welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. I just made this new recipe. I really love it.
It's so good. Gino, within saying one thing, because this is chef's kiss.
Oh boy, you hear that? She loved it. And it has some potatoes, some red peppers, eggs, and I put some whipped cream. Can you believe it? And that just sealed it. That was the main thing right there.
No, seriously, that was your secret ingredient. It is delicious, guys. You have got to try this at home.
Guys, you hear that? Let's get to it. Let's see how I made this. You're gonna start with 2 potatoes. You can see I've cut them up there. Cut them thinly so they can cook quicker. And next step is I am putting some dill, parsley, crushed red pepper, garlic salt. Or you can use any spices of your choice. We all like different spices, right? Yep. And you're gonna need a pan, of course. Oil it up with some olive oil. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. How is your holiday planning going out there? I'm sure it's fun, 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 right? This is the time. Yeah, look at that. Got some red pepper there. Cut it thinly too. You can put a little bit of olive oil, spice. Put a bit of spices you want. So once those potatoes are a bit soft, you're gonna see me adding them. Sorry, I think I missed the clip. I don't have that showing you putting them in, but after I bake them for about this is about 30 minutes. I bake them together with the red peppers. Once they are soft, I put the cheese. Because after putting the cheese, it's not gonna take that long, and the whipped cream there. Oh boy, don't I like the eggs? It's almost like poached egg. Oh man, that just makes it so delicious. And that secret ingredient there, the heavy whipped cream, just makes the whole thing taste so delicious. I'm going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes now. Yeah. Now you can see it's all done. We're all dancing. Yay! Yay! It's all done. Loving it. Delicious. Delicious, people. I can tell you, you need to try this out. Impress your guests. They will love it. Oh, this will be so, so delicious. One of a kind for your plates for the delicious holidays. Happy holidays, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family.